Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2-2-3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Anyway, man, that thing need clean up under there. But anyway, you gotta get y'all an update on the box. Just little auto zone. See, the water. Well, I think it's a heater hose. Back here. Down here. Ski. Every time you hit the gas, ski, antifreeze, whatever, you know what I'm saying? Coolant. Spraying that junk like a goddamn sprinkler. So I replaced that with another one. And I got a longer one this time, so I won't have no kinks in the line. Because you see that kink is permanently, damn near like it's permanently in there. It kink look like it's damn near permanently in there because the line really wasn't long enough. You know what I'm saying? So I got me a longer one. Just a little longer, not too much longer. A little longer, not too much longer. I'll give me 2 new batteries, and I told y'all the alternator gotta come out. Ain't no telling how old that damn alternator is, man. I got that alternator now with these 2 batteries, man. I got that ferret in the back. Man, that thing won't stay charged worth a damn. So, 2 new batteries, new alternator. You know what I'm saying? Car stuff, bro. A lot of this stuff, a lot of guys can do themselves. These of them having the time and really just gonna pay and get it done. So, with that being said, if I'm trying to go and pay and get it done, then I need you to come on and get it done. You know what I'm saying? Like, I be loyal. I'm a loyal customer. I'm loyal, bro. I don't want nobody else working on my stuff but one person or me. You know what I'm saying? But there's other people out here who do good work, man. I've been trying to be patient and wait. I waited. Now my folks telling me you should just took it on to where the dude you said you gonna take it to. I'm like, man, I would have been did that, bro. You told me not to, bro. Bro, that car running everything, y'all. Like, it's been sitting too long, bro. That rear axle seal supposed to be replaced. I could replace it, but I ain't feel like fooling with it. And I need some stuff. I need some other stuff checked out at the same time because this a new carburetor on here, bro. Ain't no way in the world. I ain't about to pull all that. I don't feel like playing around with this screw. But ain't no way in the world. From when it's cold start, I gotta take that thing off and put gas in the top for the crank, bro. You know what I'm saying? But once it's crunk, it's crunk. You can cut off and cut back on everything, but it shouldn't be doing that, bro. That's the whole reason I got a new carburetor. I shouldn't be having those problems. So I'm gonna let y'all to see what's going on with that. You feel me? With that window wiper motor, windshield wiper motor, that's gotta be replaced. But everything else been replaced up on here, bro, except my headers. Everything else been replaced, bro. Man. And my brake booster. Everything else been replaced, bro. So this, the brake booster hasn't been replaced. Windshield wiper motor hasn't been replaced. Alternator hasn't been replaced. Oh yeah, and that distributor cap, but the timing always been on point, so I ain't never really had no reason to mess with that. But everything else been replaced, bro. Y'all know the box. You feel me? You on my channel, you know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? This tie back here is the one that's smoking. That thing's smoking so bad when you get going. All the rear differential fluid just going on the tires and on all the brake components. She just started smoking, bro. But yeah, man, y'all ain't. So y'all, you see what's going on. 79, all the way through to the carpet. You know what I'm saying? Suede headliner, suede steering wheel. You know. Gotta put all my jewelry, my car jewelry in there. I got all that. Gotta put all that in. Digital dash, you know. Little suede headliner. Yeah, man. I'm about to put these hose on. I got somewhere to be. Yeah, man. Y'all don't know, man. This nothing but you put these hose on, put it in right there, put it in right here. Yeah, I got the fasteners up here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna knock this on now. Yeah. Y'all see what's going on, man. I got that thing on. Made me want to change that one too. It made me want to change that one too just because how it look compared to this. I'm gonna change that one too. That's the heater hose, that's the water pump. No. Man, maybe, oh yeah, y'all know the water pump been changed as well. You know what I'm saying? That thing went out. Soon I was bringing the car from the shop. Man, it's crazy how it already look. Man, that's a brand new water pump. Yeah. Yeah, man. Y'all see the heater hose on. You see? Heater hose. Yeah. Now, y'all know I was saying I gotta keep taking this filter off. I gotta keep taking the filter off to put gas in the top to crank the car up from cold start. But once the car is going, you cut it back off and crank it right back up, no problem. You'll see the gas flowing through here and everything. You know what I'm saying? So I'm guessing it's time to replace this something going down here. Yes, sir. You see how old that thing is? Man, everything on this car damn near been replaced. You see I still got the manifolds on. I ain't took them off, put headers yet. And this, and my alternator right here. You know, I'm going to high power alternator. Everything else been changed, bro. That's a new intake. That's a new carburetor. I ain't told y'all that. I ain't going all the way through that all again, but yeah. So, I got that as well. Bam. You know, y'all know y'all parts, how much it costs. Other part number and all that. But boy, compared to that thing down there, ooh. Oh yeah, man. Y'all stay tuned in when I install it. I probably install it next video or so. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get everything done, bro. And I bought, see, now, for y'all know why the box Chevy is sitting. The box Chevy is sitting because of this tire back here. And y'all watch my videos, y'all would have seen when I left the shop, the first day I left the shop, the box Chevy started smoking right. First the water pump went out, I replaced the water pump. Then the car started smoking from this tire back here. The wheel seal went bad. So, I was waiting on Black to come do that. He'll never come fix it, take care of it for me. So, that's why the car been sitting, y'all. So, I'm like, forget it. I went and bought them. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it myself, man. You know what I'm saying? He paying number $4-5, man. You hear me? I'm gonna do it myself. I'm gonna tackle the job myself. You know what I'm saying? Get back on the DIY stuff, man. Instead of getting all my money away to guys who don't care. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can do this stuff myself, bro. 2 new batteries on the way. I already bought one. 2 new batteries on the way. New alt, 200 amp or better. What it is, the window on the window, the wiper motor. Yeah, wiper motor get replaced. I'm still trying to see, do I want to do this master cylinder or go disc conversion? I'm still trying to see, man. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think I should do. You know what I'm saying? You see we got AC hook all the way up, blowing snowballs in there. Custom grill. You feel me? Illuminated bow tie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, y'all gotta stay tuned in. That's crazy, bro. Bro, this car's been sitting this whole time, y'all, basically because of this right here. Because of this right here, y'all. This is the whole reason. Bro, I gotta put it out again. This ring is the whole reason why this box Chevy been... Man, look, man. This ring is the whole reason this nice, heavy Chevy been sitting. It's this ring. This ring and only this ring, bro. That's crazy, bro. I've been waiting. I'm so loyal. I just been waiting for my mans to come fix it. And he still ain't. So, you know what, man? I'm doing myself, bro. Y'all can get the content. So I'm going to install all this. Y'all don't get the content, so I'm going to install all this on the next video. Y'all stay tuned in. And I might have some more stuff to install with it. So y'all just stay tuned in, man. Maddmarkscars, man. 79 Impala. '79 Impala. You feel me? All the way through. Went all the way through the car, y'all. Y'all know I'm in Atlanta, man. You know, I went all the way through the car, y'all. I was gonna show y'all the headlight, but I forgot I ain't even got the stuff plugged up. Yeah, man. We went all the way through the car, y'all. If you've been watching this channel, you know all the stuff I've done to this car. You know what I'm saying? If you've been watching the channel, you know all the stuff I've done to this car, bro. So I ain't even about to keep going back and forth. Like, you know what's all been done. Oh, yeah, I won't turn sitting the mirrors on the eyes. Woo. But yeah, man, about to talk y'all, man. I just y'all update what's going on. And the update is, I'm going to do it myself. That's the update. The update is, I'm going to do it myself. I'm tired of waiting. I mean, I'm supposed to be riding, bro. I got that one little piece. Stop me from riding, man. Get out of here. You know what I'm saying? Get out of here. Ain't that one piece about to stop me from riding. I'm about to go on and take care of myself. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I know how to do this stuff. If I don't know how to do it, I can look it up and do research. Yeah. Maddmarkscars, man.